Hello, assalamu alaikum. Now, today we are start working on CSS. Firstly, open Sublime. Okay. Now create new file. Control N and Control S save to file. Cha, it's my tutorial folder. Okay. Now create folder. Name CSS. I will save all CSS file in this folder. Open this folder. Assign file name. Suppose man dot css. CSS file extension is .css. Save. Okay. Now first check the output of index file. Okay. Now I want to change the index file background color. Okay. Through to CSS with now we are working on external CSS. Okay, because we create separate file of CSS. Now link the CSS file in HTML using link tag. How to link that? Link. Okay, link tag relation rel stands relationship क्या है, स्टाइल शीट का है, टाइप क्या है फाइल का, what is type of file, text CSS, href stands hyperlink reference. Now link file, firstly folder name, then file with extension. Okay, save. Okay. Now okay, now is type selector. Use body is a tag of HTML element. Now in CSS using body word, so it's called type selector. Okay, background color, suppose red. Yeah. Okay, check the output. Okay, I changed the background color using external CSS. Okay. Now take some text. Okay, text decoration underline. Now output is show underline in paragraph. Okay. Okay, I have different properties of text decoration. Line through, line is strike on paragraph, line through is work. Okay, line is strike on paragraph. Okay, overthrow भी होता है, ओवरलाइन भी होता है. our line is top of paragraph. Okay, okay. Text transform. Now properties second is text transform. Text transform lowercase show all character in lowercase of paragraph. Okay, it's already in lowercase, uppercase. Okay, now check. Okay, third one properties capitalize. First letter of word is capital in capitalized property. Okay, using S is capital, otherwise SING is small. CSS C capital, S is small, with W capital or ITH in small, that is capitalized. Okay, okay. Text center is alignment. Text align right. Using go to right side. Left. Okay, justify. Let's automatically decide where is set the alignment. Okay, by default left. Okay. Okay, letter spacing, you can assign how space in all letters. Okay. 3px space every letter U space 3px S and then space 3px. Okay, it's letter spacing. Word spacing also, suppose 5px. Every word after using is a word, then space 5px. CSS is a word, 5px with is a word. Okay, see, that is text properties or background color change in this video. Please subscribe my channel and share with others. Likes my video. Thank you. Bye.